So we're just getting ready to go to Lake St. Peter, me and Kenzie. Lake St. Peter is about 3 hours from here. It's about half hour north of Bancroft, on the southeastern side of Algonquin. And it's a small park. It is long weekend, so I guess it can't be too busy as it is a small park. And I'm hoping to beat some of the traffic because we're already north and staying north. So let's get the trailer hooked up and get on the road. It's gathering dust right now, and the edges have been folded once or twice. It doesn't look the same no more, 'cause the sun has made it pale. I used to have it hanging on my wall some time ago. A picture of you. You're standing by that window. So this filling station is only one lane, but it's not a one-way. So you need to watch when you're coming in. There is a chance that someone could be in it already, especially like I got here at 1:45. There were still people leaving. And if I close my eyes, I can almost hear your song. A picture of you. A picture of you. So guys, we just got set up. Just gonna make myself some lunch, some sandwiches. We're site 27. Comfort station on one side, lake on the other side. Let me show you. I was actually surprised. I thought that the water access here would be very weedy, swampy kind of, and wouldn't be able to use it to kayak from, but I am very impressed with site 27. The look you had upon your face when I said goodbye. I don't know why I let you go, but I was young and dumb, and all that It's got a little bit of a walk down, but I'll bring my kayak probably down 2/3 of the way and leave it for the weekend. So here we have the comfort station. This is the only comfort station in this park. It is a small park. It also has laundry facilities. Garbage is placed in this trailer, which is parked at the comfort station. Blue garbage bag for recycling, clear garbage bag for garbage. Both are provided at the park. Right next to the beach there is kayak and canoe rentals. As you can see, lots available. I'm not sure, this is a small park, so I'm not sure what the availability is when they're busy. So this morning, just having breakfast, some berries and Greek yogurt, and some coffee, and then we're going to hit the trail and maybe kayak later or kayak tomorrow, depending what the weather's like. I think it might rain this afternoon or later this evening. We'll have to check the weather. look you had upon your face when I said goodbye.
So it is so peaceful here. Quiet, relaxing. There's only about 80 something sites. Not a lot of people. A lot of sites are on the water. They might not have great access to the water, but they're on the water, so you can get a nice view. Some of them have access, but it's steep access, so it's not good for small kids, but they have a good beach. And so I'm just sitting here. It's sunny, nice breeze coming off the lake. I'll just get cleaned up and then we'll head out onto a hiking trail. You can see where our site is. It was right here. We walked down, came onto the trail. We're going to do the Lookout Trail, which is 2.5 kilometers. There's also the optional extension of the Cabot Trail, which will take you 4 kilometers. So we're most likely going to do the Lookout Trail. So here we go.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light started,
More hills, guys. So just remember, it is 2.5, but it is a little more than a 2.5 considering all the up and down. But it's still not too bad. I'll get to the top of the hill here and I'll give Kenzie some water.
and now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover.
While staying at Lake St. Peter, if you're looking for a day trip or two, you can go to Kayaking Provincial Park. The East Gate is only 36 kilometers north. If you're needing supplies, you can go to Linky's General Store and Gas Bar, which is just south of the park. When you pull into 127, you turn left and it's a minute or two down the road. It has pretty much anything you need. If you're looking for a restaurant nearby, the Porterville Diner is just a little further south than Linky's. It has eat-in, takeout. It also has pizza. It doesn't look like much, but it's a 4.5 rating on Google, and apparently has amazing food.
Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand.
So you end up coming out of the trail back onto the road, and you're just a little bit down from the park, and you just got to walk back up. It's a very quiet road though, so no big deal.
We lose track of time. Let up how we
Let's start some sightseeing with one of my favorite sites in the park, Site 34. This site is located at the rear of the park. It is an electric site, private level, and has a smaller step down to the lake than most of the sites, and also has a very good view of Lake St. Peter. Site 31, 32, and 33 are all similar electrical sites with a very nice view of the lake, but are a little higher off the lake than 34, so the walk down is much steeper. Would be difficult for small children, but it has water access. Site 26 is similar to Site 27, but is much deeper, seemed to be more private, but has the same water access as Site 27. Also on this dead end is Site 28. Site 63, which are electrical sites also. Seem to have good water access, and at the end of the dead end is Site 64, non-electric, which I believe also has water access.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond road. A bigger scale as we go.
So we get out paddling just before the storm comes in. We've actually pushed it back a couple hours, so I think we're all right. Quite a few hours before that storm comes in, but there is still some black clouds. Kenzie, sit down. So the clouds look like they're rolling in. Are they getting a little bit overcast now? I find on this side, the lake seems a lot calmer. So if you're coming off, say, the boat launch, and you go left, the way the wind direction goes here, it's a lot calmer on this side. So say where my side is 27, that whole section up, it's a lot calmer here. When I went around the other side, there's way more wind and a lot more waves, so I came back around here. Plus I got back a little closer to my site in case the storm comes in.
I will show you where to go. I won't try to change your mind, 'cause I'm always on your side. Time moves faster when you're by my side. It's so easy to get by. I'm leaving all my troubles behind. I will get to you, 'cause you make it easy. You make it all so easy now. I will find a place for us. I will show you where to go. And I won't try to change your mind, 'cause I'm always on your side. On my mind, you stay to keep me up at night. Can't explain it, I just know.
Yeah, the seating area here is right next to the boat launch, to the left of the boat launch. If you're also launching a kayak from up here, and you have an inner sight, and you want to get your kayak in the water, but you don't want to come down the boat launch, you can actually come down here, just to the left of the boat launch. It's sandy. There's a picnic table here.